totally collapsible trailer. All of this goes into the back of a Mark 6 Fiesta with ease, and I say that from experience because I've done it. So let me show how it. So you stand that on the end, you slide that in there like that, and then you put this pin through there. Right, so then you take this piece, put it on these rounded sections and lower it into position. Then the next section slides into here. Then you pull this bit out, put that forward, and then the whole thing tilts down. At this point you can wheel the bike up. This bit here, you're just pushing the bike as normal, and then as the front wheel runs into this bit, this flicks over and the front wheel is trapped in there, and the weight of the bike then tilts the trailer into the locked position. The bike is then completely stable. You can let go of it, so one man can do this job. You can let go of it, and then you can easily go around, strap the bike to the various strap points located around the trailer. The bike is completely stable. It will take any bike. I've had the gold wing on it. I've had a pan-European which I recovered from France on this trailer. This trailer is superb. It can go in the back of your car, and yet you can then tow any bike anywhere. Once the bike's in position, lift this piece up, retain it with that and a split pin. That becomes where you hang your board. And there's two holes drilled here, so these two bolts on the board go in, hold your number plate, and then the wiring just feeds through to your connector on your car, and then you have a perfectly safe and legal trailer. Included in the sale is my emergency pack, which has got all my straps in. I've got gloves in there, and I've even got a jack to change the wheel if you needed to do a puncture repair with the bike on board. Absolutely perfect. This trailer is perfect. This is a trailer that you'd use if you want to go and get a bike. There isn't any. When it's folded away, look how small an area it uses. They can go in the corner of your garage, you don't even know you've got one until you want it.